Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can lower volume the apps when the narrator is on or when the narrator is speak. So if you use a narrator feature on Windows 11 during opening an app, you can try to lower the volume by click on settings and go to the accessibility and choose narrator. You can click it here. In order to lower the volume, under the narrator's voice option, there is option that can lower the volume of other apps when narrator is speaking. So you can turn on this option. So the other apps beside the narrator will be lower. The volume will be lower when the narrator is start speaking. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.